Meet John, 35, making $8,000 a month in passive income. He lost it all overnight. His empire collapsed. He was left with nothing. John was a regular guy, working 9 to 5, earning $60,000 a year. He hated his job. He wanted freedom. He started investing in real estate. He bought rental properties. He made $3,000 a month. He was hooked. He invested more. He made $8,000 a month. He was living the dream. He quit his job. He traveled the world. He thought he was set. But he made a mistake. He didn't diversify. He put all his eggs in one basket. 70% of Americans make this mistake. John's properties were in one city. The market crashed. His properties lost value. He lost $5,000 a month. He was in debt. He owed $200,000. He was stressed. He didn't know what to do. 40% of Americans can't afford a $400 emergency. John discovered a book on diversification. He learned about stocks and bonds. He learned about index funds. He started investing. He put 20% of his money in stocks. He put 30% in bonds. He put 50% in real estate. He was diversified. 90% of millionaires diversify their portfolios. John created a new plan. He started small. He invested $1,000 a month. He made 7% interest. He made $70 a month. It was a start. He increased his investment. He made $500 a month. He was back on track. 60% of Americans don't invest at all. John's new empire grew. He made $2,000 a month. He made $3,000 a month. He was back to his old self. He was making $8,000 a month again. He was proud. He learned from his mistake. He was diversified. 80% of wealthy people have multiple income streams. John's story is a cautionary tale. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in stocks and bonds. Invest in real estate. Start small. Invest $1,000 a month. Make 7% interest. You can do it. 50% of Americans want to start investing but don't know where to start. You can be like John. You can make $8,000 a month in passive income. You can be free. You can travel the world. You can live the dream. Subscribe to our channel for more stories like John's. Learn how to invest. Learn how to diversify. Start your journey to financial freedom today.